it looks like I've been blessed again with a model from E2046. And in case I haven't said so before, which I definitely have, E2046 really seems to give a shit. Okay, Ragdoll. I bought this because it was super cheap. They were doing some weird promotion. And yes, you just did see a nipple. Get over it. Yeah, I might have to start covering up things as I'm showing it here. Ragdoll. It's just a simple, little weird kind of furry type character. It's not even a furry, really. It's that step right before they start going into furry. But they do have a tail and they do have ears, you know. Which could be totally, you know, just cosmetic accents they gave themselves. Maybe that's attached to the pants. Maybe that's a headband. Who knows? But there's nothing indicating this is particularly furry in any way, shape, or form. It just happens to be that they might be a furry. Okay, looking at the instructions. Very nice, very nice, very nice. It only has 23 parts, and that's fine, because the less parts, the better usually. With resin, that means they've done it right, and they didn't need to go back and cut it up into too many more parts. First off, it's really tiny, as you can see. I can probably show this because the nipples aren't painted in, so to you it's just this white blob. But to me, it's boobs. Anyway, yeah, that's pretty good. Let's see the clear parts. It comes with stars as a clear base to stand the figure on. In some pictures, it looked like it was a pile of shit with a bunch of air bubbles, and this actually looks really sweet. I see like one air bubble just off the bat, and that's it. Oh my god, yeah, that's like almost watery, crystal clear there. That's not bad at all. What is that? Is that even an air bubble? No, I don't think that's an air bubble. I think that's a sprue mark right there. Or a drilling guide to tell you where to drill from. This is really nice. That's hardly fucked up at all. Yeah, it's only mildly warped, maybe? Oh, but, you know, I'm just nitpicking. This is fucking excellent. Oh, there's an air bubble. Found one. Yeah, here's an air bubble. It actually intruded in through the side and into it. And that's never going to be able to be fixed. But then again, the rest is fucking perfect. And, you know, that is really not something I can complain too bad about. Let's see. Actually, looking at the size of the legs, this is actually of a decent size, I'd say. Yeah. I can't tell if that's fucked up or not. No, it's not fucked up. You see, I thought this was supposed to be, you know, bulging out and it was an air bubble, but it's not. It's actually, I don't know, it's some weird kind of, oh, I see. This will be a strap hanging down, which is attached to, I guess, what you would say, her skirt or her panties or whatever. God, curled toes much? Jeez, let's see if the toes are fully formed. Yeah, man, I don't know what E2046 does. Like, I really have no idea. But holy shit, it's like finding air bubbles on their stuff is actually hard to do. And man, I'm still not used to that. I mean, as you saw, I got vinyl kits in of that character, that little dinosaur called Gone. And that was vinyl, and I had air bubbles all over it. This is resin, and I just don't have air bubbles. I'm so fucking impressed with their resin. Yeah, as sexy as it is, she's actually technically not naked as far as the legs go. Good lord, look at that strange bend. That is such a abstract position. Like, I don't even know if the human body does that. It's kind of interesting, though. How does she stand on the base, though? That's kind of curious. Look at this. They have her standing on the base on her curled toe. That's impossible. This is an impossible pose. How are they doing it, though? Let's see. I'm guessing you have to do the heinous act of drilling a hole into the center where that guide hole is, and then drilling a hole up into her toes, ruining her toe sculpt, and put like a metal bar there. Yeah, holy shit, you have to drill into her toes. That's a pity, isn't it? Because I really can't think of any other way to hold them up without a big fucking clamp going and like holding them around the waist or some shit. Yeah, E2046. Indeed, I must admit that. Let's see her head. Where's her head? I'm so used to shitty resin that it's like pretty much I look at hands and fingers first, if I can, and then I go straight for the head and the hair, because those have always been classically, you know, problem points on things. The hair, wow. Yeah, they got little sprue lines that have to be cut off, but that's good because that means it made the resin fill out all the way to the tips of the hair. It's going to be tricky because, you know, even to take clippers and go snip, snip, you have the potential of breaking off too much hair. And, you know, it's a tricky little thing. Yeah, there's hardly any work that needs to be done on this, though. Man, do they have their resin casting down pat. Impressive, 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 impressive. Where is her head? Boobs, arms, skirt, something. Oh, that's the head right there. Hello. Such a tiny little head. And it's good. Wow, neato. I like it. And I see the collar that she's wearing. It actually isn't bad. There's no air bubbles around the rim. I don't know how they pull this shit off. I really don't. I don't know how they make their resin kits this good. And the head fits on just where it should be exactly. Nice. Nice. There's just nothing not impressive about this. I'm just really digging this. So little work needs to be done here. It's great. Pretty much, as long as you know how to snip something off without breaking it, you're in the clear. Speaking of clear, why does this look clear? I thought the base was the only clear point. That's curious. Oops, I almost threw out the other parts. Nope, more hair. And it was in white. My bad. Looks good, looks good, looks good. And etc, etc. I'll, you know, add to the video and say if any of the other parts are messed up. But yeah, for the most part, this model is in perfect condition. I mean, my God, there's like so little I have to do here. This is great. I'm just really happy when shit like this happens. I mean, it seems to be the going thing for E2046. They seem to not have a problem casting, and that's great. That is just bloody great. Yep, so flush. That fits so damn flush. Excellent stuff. Yeah, that's very cool. So yeah, at some point, like every other model and thing that I buy, you will see all these built or in the process of being built. And yep, that's what it'll look like when it's done. Very cute. I wonder if it's an original character or if it's from something. I have no idea. I do notice she has a little bra too, and that thing is like half off in all the pictures I've seen. Like they on E2046 they have other people that have made the kits and they send in pictures, and 9 times out of 10 you can see that even when built, her nipples are poking out through at least one side of that bra. So yeah, it's technically a hentai model, I guess, but you know, sometimes something's so cute that it's not even like pervy looking anymore. I mean, this just looks cute. But yeah, nudity doesn't always have to be perverted. God. Welcome to America. Like and subscribe. I got a Patreon going if anybody has like $9 billion just sitting around doing nothing. Yep. Good day.